It's 15th of July. I received parcel delivery message from TCS. So I got this kit after around 15 days of placing my request for the same. And some of them are also receiving this within 10 to 12 days. So it's totally depends on your location. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Chetna. I hope you all are doing great. So today's video is a bit exciting, at least for me, because I just got my joining kit delivered from TCS and I was so excited for this because पहली कंपनी का जो क्रेज़ है वो किसको नहीं होता है. So let's just not wait too much and I will start with unboxing. And also एक चीज़ और which I wanted to share, like maybe some of you still haven't got their joining kit, so for them I would suggest at least initiate a request at Ultimatics portal so that they get to know about the same and your query gets resolved as soon as possible. So let's just begin with unboxing session.